In front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and a photo at the bottom left corner and tap on your photos right away. You can also click on Gallery section, click on them here and choose Add at the top right corner, or click on Gallery, select Folders and look for your photo over here. You can look for it by tapping on Images in Recent Files, by tapping on one of those apps, or you can even tap on those three lines at the top left corner and find them in one of those sources, like Downloads. When you're ready, just hold your photo that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!